One of the things that we also would like to say is that taxes are on your total emoluments. We know in this day and age, many employees work multiple jobs. And I like to use the call centers as an example. Many employees work at multiple call centers. What happens is it does not mean that you submit one from a call center that you think you may get a refund. Because of electronic data we receive from all employers, and when it's combined, you may not be due a refund thinking that you should. It's not when it was paper-based and you could submit from one employer to get a refund, but you didn't submit from the other employer because you didn't want to pay your taxes. It's now real-time data, and it's important that people be honest in submitting their total emoluments. And I can tell you, we have a lot of compliant taxpayers because you have many employees who would have, as you rightly said, maybe let's use an example, a catering business. Maybe they cater food after. Those compliant taxpayers, they register for business tax because while they're paying their employee income tax that their employer takes out of their salary without them even seeing it, they also are compliant because they know they have a side business. They register for business tax and they pay their business tax on what they're making on their small catering business. So it's not everyone. We do have a high percentage of compliant taxpayers.
That is to say, basically, you should be paying tax on everything you make.
Correct. On everything you make, you should be paying your taxes.
A frivolous example, but if I go and cut a yard as a reporter and I'm cutting yards, 2, 3 yards for the weekend, and I make $50 a yard, I should be paying income tax on that.
You should be reporting that also.